I'm gonna make coconut milk today. I became obsessed with coconut milk about 2 years ago, maybe 3 years ago almost, when I discovered this little place in Amagansett called Caravan, and they had this incredible cold brew coffee mixed with coconut milk. And I've never had anything so delicious. I was pregnant and I was really sensitive to caffeine and I wasn't really gonna have it, but then I couldn't resist. And then they closed and I've never seen them again and I've been looking for them. So I decided I was gonna make the recipe myself. Okay, so you have to have a young coconut. That's key. Trusty Vitamix. Pour the coconut water. Coconut water is a really great way to rehydrate because of all of the benefits, the electrolytes, potassium. I did a hot yoga class today for the first time, core yoga. And I haven't done hot yoga in a while and I'm really feeling it. Okay, one down. Wow, that was super satisfying. I'm gonna add some cinnamon, one of my favorite ingredients. I'm gonna add 1 to 1.5 cups of cold water to the coconut meat and coconut water, cinnamon mixture. And I'm using cold water because hot water releases more of the coconut oil, which can be very hard for digestion and it gets fattier and thicker. And I want it to be smooth and light. Thick, young coconut milk. We need to strain a little bit. If it's looking too thick, which mine is looking a little bit thicker, you can just add more cold water. I'm gonna pour the coconut milk back into the blender. Make it easier to pour. It smells pretty incredible. The color is from a little bit of the shell and a little bit of the cinnamon. So delicious. I hope you guys try to make coconut milk at home and please tell me in the comments if you try to make it. Please, I'd love to hear. Thanks, bye.